General 2.1 Regulations, Maintenance Forms, Records and Publications. We're exploring Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, a crucial aspect of aviation governance. We're given a historical snapshot, spanning from 1926 to 1966, showcasing the evolution of aviation regulations alongside technological advancements in aircraft. Moving forward to today, we find the regulations overseen by the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, in Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, 14 CFR. There are 5 volumes under this title, each with specific focuses. Volumes 1 to 3, containing 75 active regulations, center around the FAA. Volume 4 delves into the Office of the Secretary and Commercial Space Transportation, while Volume 5 addresses NASA and air transportation system stabilization. Now, let's categorize these regulations. They fall into 3 key areas: administrative, Airworthiness Certification, and Airworthiness Operation. This categorization streamlines our understanding of the diverse regulations governing aviation. Since 1958, we've commonly referred to these rules as FARs, standing for Federal Aviation Regulations. However, to avoid confusion with Title 48, the Federal Acquisitions Regulations, the FAA adopted the term 14 CFR Part 20 for specific regulations. Notably, regulations and their sections are often odd-numbered, a strategic choice made during the 1958 recodification, anticipating the need for future additions. In essence, this journey through history and contemporary practices emphasizes the intricate balance between regulatory frameworks and the dynamic field of aviation. Let's keep these insights in mind as we delve deeper into the world of aviation regulations. Let's delve into the intricacies of FAA regulations, particularly the Special Federal Aviation Regulations, or SFARs. These are unique regulations issued for specific and time-limited situations. Take note that the SFAR number is purely sequential and doesn't indicate the regulation it addresses. Now, focusing on airworthiness certification. This visual representation offers a unique insight into how these regulations interact and their impact on airworthiness. Pay attention to the term, airworthy. Its recent formal definition by the FAA is crucial. Before this, it was implied in Section 21.183 of Part 21 or found in non-regulatory FAA publications. Even the standard Airworthiness Certificate, FAA Form 8102, visibly displayed on each civil aircraft, played a role in understanding airworthy. Refer to the 14 CFR Part 3 excerpt for the recent formal definition. Understanding the visual chart is key to grasping the intricate relationships between various regulations and their impact on ensuring airworthiness in aviation. Let's discuss into some critical definitions from 14 CFR Part 3, Section 3.5, focusing on statements about products, parts, appliances, and materials. These definitions set the groundwork for understanding airworthiness. Airworthy refers to the condition of an aircraft that ensures safe operation and adherence to its designated type design. This includes compliance with standards for aircraft, aircraft engines, or aircraft propellers, collectively referred to as a product. Records play a crucial role in the aviation industry, encompassing various forms of documentation such as paper records, microfilm, electronic formats, and identification plates. When delving into airworthiness, it's imperative to distinguish between 2 key areas: original airworthiness and recurrent airworthiness. The foundational regulations governing aircraft airworthiness are outlined in 14 CFR Part 21, focusing on certification procedures for products and parts, 14 CFR Part 43, which addresses maintenance, preventive maintenance, rebuilding, and alterations, and 14 CFR Part 91, covering general operating and flight rules. Now, it's crucial to note that the FAA isn't a monolithic entity. Various subgroups within the FAA have distinct oversight responsibilities in the aviation industry. These may vary based on organizational charts or geographic locations. For maintenance technicians, interactions predominantly occur with FAA personnel from the Flight Standards Service, AFS, and the Flight Standards District Office, FSDO. There may also be some interaction with FAA personnel from the Aircraft Certification Service, AIR. Understanding these definitions in the regulatory landscape is fundamental as we delve deeper into the complexities of ensuring airworthiness in the aviation industry. If you click like and subscribe and leave a comment, we will provide a coupon for a free PDF download, one of 9 ebooks. However, each individual can only download up to 1 out of 9 ebooks for free.